My name is Nichifi Kopoluan.
My name is Gracia Alhamendo.
And we are students of Manado State Polytechnic. We are from class 4 MBC. Now, we will explain about
factors and theories chasing corruption.
Okay, for the example, we have a 2 point, and for the first point is tempered by wealth, and the second quality of government, where the quality of government institution influence investment and growth as much as other political economy variable.
Next, the corruption according to World Bank 199.7. Corruption is any transaction between actors from the private sector and the public sector through share utilities that is illegally transformed into personal gain. Next, Nawatmi 2014 states that an act is said to be an act of corruption, including giving or receiving gift or promises and bribery, embezzlement in office, extortion in office, participating in procurement, and receiving gratuities for civil servants or state administrators.
Okay, next, in general, the factor that cause corruption, Arifin 2000, aspect of individual behavior, organizational aspect, and aspect of society where individual and organization exist.
The next, Iririana Harja Pamekas 2008, the high number of cases in this country is caused by the first lack of example and leadership of the nation's elite. The second is low salaries for civil servants. And the next is weak commitment and consistency in law enforcement. And the fourth is low integrity and professionalism. And the 5 is internal monitoring mechanism in all institutions that are not yet well established. And the last is weak faith, honesty, shame, morals, and ethics.
Broadly speaking, the cause of corruption can be grouped into two, namely internal factor and external factor.
So the first one is internal factors. The reasons why humans are driven to commit corruption include human greed, the nature of greed or covetousness possessed by humans. The nature of greed means that humans are not easily satisfied with what they currently have. Morals that are less strong, namely the result of human morals being less strong, so they tend to prioritize their own interests. Consumptive lifestyle, that consumptive lifestyle is in terms of excessive daily life or can also be called a wasteful lifestyle.
Okay, second, in general factor that cause corruption from outside in individual can or due to political, legal, and economic factor. A. According to Habib Sultan Asnawi, 2030 until 350, corruption is a crime committed by intellectual. On average, official count in corruption counts are those with higher education. And B, according to Tri Karyati at 2090 until 24, political factor influence the occurrence of corruption because basically politics interest is related to power. This means the whoever the person is will definitely use various methods.
Okay, next, legal factors can be seen from two sides. On the one hand, from the aspect of laws and regulations, and on the other hand, weak law enforcement, the substance of the law is not good. It is easy to find it in discriminatory and unfair rules. Next, according to Industri Utami and Agus Mulyakarsana 118. And then economic factors are one of the cause of corruption. This can be seen when the level of income of salary is not sufficient to meet one's needs.
E. According to Trikaryati et al. 2019-24, organizational factors have several aspects that cause corruption, including culture, leadership, accountability, and management or system. F. According to Ridwan Arifin Omara, Sharif, and Devanda Prasetyo, 2018, 8. Corruption problem usually originate from the family. Usually, this happens because of the 5 demands or expensive personal desire. This make the position he sit in as a means of satisfying his family personal interests.
Okay, next about the factors causing corruption in perspective. The first one is Jack Pollan Theory of Corruption Gone Theory. Pollan 2006. The factors causing corruption are greed, opportunity, needs, and exposure. Greed is potential owned by everyone unrelated to individual perpetrators of corruption. And the second is cultural determination or cultural determinism is often used as a reference when studying the cause of corruption, as stated by Fiona Robertson-Snape. Cultural explanations of corruption practiced in Indonesia are linked to evidence of action, Japanese habits.
Okay, third, social solidarity theory developed by Emily Durkheim. Emily Durkheim was of the view that individuals are morally neutral and society creates their personality. He also controlled individuals through social fact that they learn through education and the environment. Fourth, corruption theory Donald R. Christian from triangle theory. 3 factors that influence from our opportunity, motivation, and rationalization. Their three factors, have the same degree of influence on each order.
So the 5 is cost-benefit model theory. According to this theory, corruption occurs if the benefits obtained from corruption are felt to be greater than the cost or risk or net benefit value of corruption. And the 6 is Maslow theory of needs. Maslow described the hierarchy of human needs as a pyramid shape. At the basic level are the most basic needs. The higher the hierarchy, the less necessary these needs must be met.
Okay, and the last, willingness and opportunity to corrupt theory. Corruption occurs if there is an opportunity or weakness in the monitoring system, lack of supervision act, and intention or desire driven by need and greed.
So guys, that's all from our explanation. So thank you so much for watching, guys. Bye bye.
See you, bye bye.